you have to position yourself, Sebastian, as the expert. Right? You're
Absolutely.
not just some guy or gal
Yeah.
making videos to hear your head rattle. You
Yep.
are the expert, and people should listen to what you have to say, right?
Why would somebody hire a lawyer to do something specific? Well, they're the expert.
Mm-hmm.
Somebody needs brain surgery, they go to a brain surgeon. They're the expert. And
Right.
that's how I wanted to position myself. I didn't want to be a general practitioner that 99% of the agents are. Well, can you sell my home? Yes, I can. Can you help me buy it? Yes, I can. Can you do investments? Yes, I can. Well, what can't you do? Oh, I can do everything. Now you're kind of blending in like vanilla, like the rest of the agents. You're part of the background. But if you stand for something and you have an opinion about something and you teach them about that something, now you're the expert. Can every single agent under the sun help a first-time buyer? Of course. But why were they not being paid attention to?
Yeah.
Because they blended in.
Yeah.
I stood out.
I
I was no better than they were.
Exactly. But here's my thing. I have always gone under the auspices that the loudest kid in class gets the most attention, whether that attention is good or bad. So I have always tried to be the loudest kid in class.
Yeah.
And by doing that, I think you do establish yourself as a local expertise, or at least people get used to seeing you on video. And that brings